Hello guys, welcome to the vlog, and today I have a pretty shocking, pretty interesting video. Have you ever seen a king baby? If not, then let's watch this.
Laundry right. No people doing my laundry right. Why is my shirt in the dryer pile? It's my favorite. Why is my good shirt in the...
So apparently this lady posted her husband on internet, thinking it's funny. And I don't know why guys, but I've come to realize most women actually don't know when they're being misused or when they're being, when most women don't know they're actually in a terrible relationship until they post something on internet. So this woman is out here defending this guy, the guy you've seen, yeah? Thinking it's actually funny. Actually, I thought it was a skit, But this is a full grown-up guy throwing tantrum. Like, why you didn't wash my laundry properly or something like this. So most women don't know. And she was out here, defending the guy. Like, oh, no, it was, he was just trying to be funny. Even if it was funny, it's not funny, And I think it's something, she has seen going on. And she was like, let me share this, And probably I feel like these women actually know that something is wrong, but they just want to see what internet is going to say. And yeah, internet came to respond. And I'm sure she doesn't like that. And I hope she learned, that something is not okay here, And sometimes you think like these guys can do the laundry better if they're complaining you're doing laundry wrong, but no, they can't do their laundry. They can't do your laundry, but they want you to do it. They expect you to be the mom and do their laundry or something like this. Because for example, me, I don't mind doing laundry for anybody, And but if you do my laundry, fine. If you don't do my laundry, I'm not entitled to do your laundry too. So, and if you want to test that, try to go out of the house the whole day, leave some clothes where the laundry is, and see if this guy is going to do laundry without you telling them. That's how to test a guy if he's willing to do laundry, for you or something like this. If he's going to go to the laundry room and see that something needs to be done and does it, that is a good test to see if a man want to use you as, for labor or something like that. Because I feel like any grown-up should be able to do their laundry. If you're not a kid, you're supposed to be doing laundry or something like that, or you should know how to do it. And if you want somebody else to do, pay. Because, oh my God, let me tell you, this is one of the biggest thing like women can't stand. Like, men expect things to be done, but they can't do it, and they want to do it for free. And if they're forced to do it, most of them will employ somebody to do for them. But if there's a wife, it's going to be free. This hurts me. Like, if it's wife, it's free. If it's you, you pay for it. You pay actually for another woman to do it. I feel like it's very diminishing. It's me particularly. If you want something to be washed particular way, do it. I'm not gonna learn how to do something because I need to do your stuff. No, if you know how to do your stuff, go wash your stuff the way they're supposed to be washed. So what do you think, guys? Please comment down below what you think about this. Would you stand such a guy even if it was for fun, even if it was for comedy? Because something is not right. I don't think a grown-up man with full beard will do something like that, even if it's for fun, even if it's comedy. Nah, I don't know. Something is off. Anyway, guys, let's hear what some people had to say about this.
In the dryer pile. No people doing my laundry right. No people doing my laundry right. Why is my shirt in the dryer pile? It's my favorite. Why is my...
What the fuck? Yes, indeed. You just saw a fully grown man, at least on the outside, throwing a full temper tantrum because someone else was doing the kind thing of doing his laundry for him, and apparently his favorite shirt is in the wrong basket. So now he is literally stomping around the house, throwing a full man-child temper tantrum. One, I would never do your laundry again in the first place. You are blessed that I'm doing it at all. Secondly, if you don't like the way that I'm doing your laundry, you can either, one, explain whatever the problem is, or two, get off your ass and do it yourself. Honestly, this whole display would have been more than enough for me to walk out anyway. Do you know there's actually a study that says women lose sexual attraction to the men that they're in relationships with if they take on the bulk of domestic labor? That's because they start to view their partner as literal children. And
if you're not gonna leave the man, then don't involve us. If you don't want to listen to reason, keep it off the internet. But here's my unsolicited advice. Leave him, break up.
No people doing my laundry right. No the dryer pile. It's my favorite. Why is my good shirt in the dryer pile?
I think the proper term for what we just witnessed is a mantrum. A man having a tantrum. This man is the equivalent of throwing up, crying, sliding down the wall, but he's marching back and forth, arms and legs swinging, with a little song that he created and everything. You know, sir, if she doesn't do this job correctly as your employee, just don't pay her. Oh, that's right. You don't. Behaving like a toddler at your age is probably not going to help. This would have been the perfect opportunity to say, babe, looks like you're overloaded with the laundry. I found my favorite shirt in the dryer pile, so I'm going to step in. Tell me how I can help. That's too mature and that makes too much sense. Nope. All we're going to do is pout, stomp around the room, sing that homemade song that we just made, and hope that it's going to be enough to make her do it better the next time. Who needs adult communication when you can just make up a little song, am I right?
Please tell me that this is a skit, okay? This cannot be real. Stomping around like an angry toddler because somebody didn't do your laundry correctly? Come on, dude. If this is a problem to you, I have a solution. You want to know what it is? Come here. Do your own laundry.